Welcome to Cooking with Iron Arrows. Okay, so today we're making pizza from scratch. So I made pizza 2 nights ago, so we have like a little bit of leftover dough. We also have leftover pot roast, but
pizza's tastier.
Yeah, we just wanted pizza tonight, I guess. So, well, Hubby wasn't feeling so well, so maybe I poisoned him. I don't know. None of us felt bad, so, but he does not want pot roast. So we're gonna do pizza. We'll do pot roast tomorrow as leftovers. We've been doing a lot of like cook a whole bunch and then eat leftovers the next day or the day after because.
Well, next week or all week.
Not usually.
No, I meant all week.
No, we'll get 2 meals out of each time that I cook. No more than that because that would be a lot of.
Eat too much.
Okay, are you almost done opening that can? Our can opener is so dead. It's 10 years old. We have to go around the can like 2 or 3 times. But I'm too cheap to order another Pampered Chef can opener because they're $20. So there we go.
Ramsey would say no.
Yeah. I think we have like a Walmart can opener in here if we wanted to look for it and get sliced by all of our knives. But yeah. So we also just made granola. So we're doing like budget stuff. If you want to check out all of our budget talk and food talk, that's on Family Wellness on a Budget channel, which is my channel. Okay, so what are we going to do after we get the tomato paste open?
I'm going to put the tomato paste in the little canning jar. Or you can use an immersion blender too.
Yeah, our immersion blender container is dirty and we're too lazy to clean it out. So this is like the easy, no electric way to make sauce, because I know some people buy stuff called pizza sauce at the store because I've seen it. So we make our own. Look, this is Herbe de Provence in a basil container, but I relabeled it, but it's worn off now. My mom brought this back from France in like a
it's the real stuff.
Plastic bag, so I put it in here to shake it. And then we add all kinds of spices to our sauces. Sorry, this might be a long video because we didn't really prep too much, did we? Okay, I'm gonna get some salt. So, okay. I like to add nutritional yeast, but we're out and I'm not gonna fill it up for now. That stuff's good. That's like cheese. I add it to the top of pizza usually. Oh, this is our new secret. Dun-da-da, liquid smoke. This is the healthy brand. Wait, can we show it real quick? I get it on Amazon for $6 or $7. Living Nutritionals. There's far cheaper, less healthy ones if you want, if you so desire. But this one's pretty healthy. No, that's enough. Like 3 to 5 drops is plenty for any meal. It just makes it smell really good, and then feels like you're eating barbecue. I wish you could smell it. It's amazing.
It smells just like smoked.
Just smells like
ham.
Smoked
basically.
hickory or ham. Okay, so I will shake this. Why don't you? Okay. Run away. So that dough looks a little bit moist, so we're probably gonna want to add a little bit more flour to it. We'll do a kefir update since I don't know if we have on this channel. This is regular kefir. We have it up here as well. And then the second ferment, we add blueberries, and it's amazing. It tastes so good. So that's about a gallon. We have a hard time
staying away from it.
No, we have a hard time. Here, go get the flour. Allowing that to last more than 24 hours. There's 6, 7 of us. There's 7 of us, one's a baby. But I have given her a little bit because she's 8 months. Mix it in with her baby food a little bit because it's water kefir is kind of like milk kefir or yogurt or sauerkraut or kombucha. It has beneficial bacteria, so it's good for your tummy. You can't find the flour? It's up here. Here's our pantry. Greening.
Oh, I was looking for a
There's our mess of a pantry. So Azure standard, we usually get flour. Usually the flour is in a bag like that. That's spelt. So organic spelt flour, S-P-E-L-T. It's kind of gummy, like it's really gluten-y maybe? I don't know. It's really gummy. So I've made pizza with it. I think there's some spelt in here, but we don't want to. It's better to just use regular flour. Organic bread flour. But that might be okay. Just put it down and like move it. Yeah, that looks pretty good actually. It smells yeasty. So I'm going to start a sourdough starter. I was going to start last week and I just forgot. Got busy. Actually, we had summer camp and I was volunteering, so it was insane. So hopefully this is good. I did sourdough a few years ago, but it's been a while, so you kind of have to babysit it, kind of like the water keeper. So sourdough is a beneficial bacteria thing as well.
Babysit anything that ferments, pretty much.
Yeah, that's a French rolling pin. Doesn't have handles. I think the handle ones are better. I don't know what happened to my handle one.
It broke.
Okay.
The dial in the middle broke off.
Oh.
I clicked cancel, didn't I?
So we're gonna preheat the oven to like 410, 415. Pretty hot. That way it gets a little bit crispy. Okay, that dough looks good. Just make sure you pick up this little part that's. We'll just throw that over here. And just do the rest by hand. It's like Play-Doh. I love having leftover pizza dough because pizza dough is not really hard to make. It's just like
delicious.
You have to use your KitchenAid. You don't have to, but I use my KitchenAid mixer and way there in the back. And it's just, you just got to do it. It takes a little bit. It takes an hour or two. So having leftover pizza dough is really great. All right, so what next?
Salsa.
Yep. I know you guys know how to make pizza, but just figured you'd want to watch us make it. I'm like trying to get the most out of that dough because we only have one pizza. But actually, we have some leftover pizza in here somewhere in the very back. So from Friday, it's only a few pieces, but I don't care. I'll eat that. Okay. So one thing we do for cheese is we'll buy a huge block. We buy the Kerrygold Dubliner cheese at Costco. It's 2 pounds, 5 something a pound, which just went up to $5.89 a pound, which is painful. So that block is about that big. Fairly decent size, and it's $10, $10.37. Although this week and up until maybe the 16th of June, it's $3 off. So we bought 2 blocks that were like the lowest price we could find because some of them are about $11. We bought the 2 smallest blocks and we got $6 off because we're that cheap. So what we do is we shred that, and then we just put a bunch of the bags into the freezer. I was just gonna show the shredder. Here is our awesome IKEA shredder. We love it. We usually shred more than that. We'll shred it and then we'll dump this into a sandwich bag and throw it in the freezer. I think we're almost out of it, so it's a good thing we got 2 blocks of that. Probably get another block next week. Smells really good. So.
Dad's listening to John Crist. He's awesome.
Oh, John Crist.
He's hilarious.
Yes. All right. Why don't you grab the cheese out? I'll bring this to the edges. I was wondering what he was listening to. Check out John Crist. Spelled like Christ, right? Or no, there's no H, maybe.
I don't think so, no.
I don't know. Comedian John Crist. Really funny. Sometimes we'll add goat cheese. Friday night we added pepperoni from Hickory Nut Gap. Yep, he's a Christian comedian. So he's clean and he's funny. We like Tim Hawkins too. Tim Hawkins is funny. So sometimes, this time, okay, normally we just shred cheddar and put it together, but we mixed mozzarella in, and for some reason mozzarella doesn't unfreeze well. Maybe it's because it's higher liquid per whatever. It's a more liquidy cheese, so it freezes kind of in blocks.
Very.
So there we go. Pizza night. We'll throw that in until it's done. We don't use timers around here very often, but we will smell that it's ready and we will eat it. Right, Ryan?
Yeah.
Farmer boy. All right. This is Iron Arrows.
Signing out.